This is super boring, but I promise it will grow your business if you just do these 4 things on YouTube. Like one of my students, Anutsa, who sold a $3,000 course from her YouTube channel, or Ro, on his very first YouTube video, booked a sales call. Ben, who's a real estate agent, got a brand new client from one of his YouTube videos. Or even Johnny, who sold $24,000 in 1 week, all organically from his YouTube channel. And they all just did these 4 simple things that I'm going to share with you right now. Number 1 is make specific videos targeting to a very specific audience. Not all views are equal. So you want to make sure if you're making YouTube videos, and even if you're only getting 1,000 views, you're targeting the right people. On my YouTube channel, this is a good example of what it looks like to go a little bit more broad. So these videos are not targeting a specific person. I'm just talking about how to make YouTube videos. Watch this if you want to grow on YouTube. I sucked at YouTube until I learned this. This is going to attract all sorts of people, even though I only, inside of my YouTube coaching program, work with entrepreneurs, online entrepreneurs. And if you are an online entrepreneur looking to grow your brand and your business on YouTube, then check the link in the description because I'm doing a free class where I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. But this is what it looks like to make specific content. So I say how to grow your business on YouTube. It's going to get way less views, but this is going to make me, and it has made me, so much more money when I actually call out business owners, or I say how to grow your business, or even this vlog that just attracts business owners to my YouTube channel. Now, the second thing you want to do is mention a call to action during your video, like I just did on your next step. It doesn't have to go in for the kill and get the sale, but what's the next step? Is it a web class? Is it to go to your Instagram? Is it to download a lead magnet? Whatever it is, make sure that you mention it in your video, because if you do that, I promise you, you are going to increase the amount of people who actually go and take that next step. Not everyone checks the pinned comment. Not everyone checks the descriptions. So you really want to make sure that you are mentioning this with your mouth during your video. And you're probably wondering, where should I do this? Well, most people will do it in the middle of their video, but a lot of people drop off. This is how many people are dropping off. This is the most people at 100%. By 14 minutes into the video, 18% of the people were watching my video. And so I want you to use that call to action somewhere early in the video, 15 to 35% into the video. And here's the reason why. If you were to just do it instead of at the halfway mark, but you were to do it at the, say, 20% mark, I have 32% versus what used to be 18%. And because of that, in that specific video that got 41,000 views, I would have had 5,740 more people see my call to action simply by moving my verbal call to action earlier into the video. Now, the third thing you want to do is put links in the description. If you are not putting it at the very top of the description, you're missing out. SEO does not need to go here, okay? I'm telling you right now, it doesn't matter for ranking. It doesn't matter for the YouTube algorithm. Please put your call to action at that top fold, especially if you are trying to make more money on YouTube, because right here, you have to click more on mobile, on desktop, if you actually want to see the rest of your description. So if your links are down there, people are not as many people are going to click that more button and go find that. And the fourth thing you need to do is take that same exact thing and pin it to your comment. You just have to comment as yourself, hit those 3 little dots, hit pinned comment. If you've scheduled your video, it's going to turn it private and you can't comment. So turn it to unlisted, then comment this. And then from there, once you've commented, then you can schedule your video to go out, and that's how you can get it done before your video goes live. Now, in order for any of this to work, you have to know how to get views on YouTube and what videos to even make. So if you click on the screen, I go over my entire YouTube strategy that I'm using to grow my business and all of my students' businesses. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.